Welcome to our video on border tourism, a patriotic spectacle at Wagah. Before we dive into the heart of the spectacle, let's take a moment to appreciate the allure of border tourism. What is it that draws people to these geographical lines that divide nations? The thrill of standing on the brink of another country? The sense of adventure that comes from witnessing a different culture just a few steps away? Or is it the symbolism, the palpable tension of history, politics and human drama played out on a grand stage? Whatever the reason, there's no denying the magnetism of border tourism. And there's no border quite like the Wagah Border, where every evening a spectacle unfolds that is as captivating as it is unique. It's a dance of rivalry and respect, a testament to shared history and divided loyalties. So buckle up, as we're about to take you on a journey of unity, rivalry and brotherhood. Did you know that the Wagah Border, dividing India and Pakistan, hosts a daily ceremony that isn't about conflict, but a display of brotherhood and rivalry? This spectacle unfolds each evening before sunset, a symphony of perfectly coordinated drills enacted by soldiers from both nations. It's a sight that is as captivating as it is unique. Imagine the scene. The sun is setting, casting long shadows across the historic Wagah Border, the only road link between India and Pakistan since their wrenching partition in 1947. As the last rays of the day catch on the flags of both nations, a hush descends upon the gathered crowd. This is no ordinary flag-lowering ceremony. It's a dance of rivalry and respect, a testament to shared history and divided loyalties. It's a daily reminder of a boundary that separates yet unites two nations that were once one. This ceremony, an epitome of rivalry and brotherhood, draws spectators from both countries who come to witness this unique spectacle. As the sun begins to set, the atmosphere at the Wagah Border starts to charge with anticipation and a myriad of emotions. The air is thick with an indescribable energy, a palpable excitement that seems to hum in the air and resonate in the hearts of the spectators. This is not just any ordinary gathering, it's a convergence of hearts, a fusion of emotions and a spectacle of patriotism that transcends borders. The spectators, hailing from both India and Pakistan, are here to witness the mesmerizing flag-lowering ceremony, a daily event that has become a symbol of pride and respect for both nations. There is a growing buzz, an escalating excitement that mounts with each passing minute. The cheers grow louder, the claps more resonant, echoing the rhythm of hundreds of hearts beating in unison. The air is filled with the resonant strains of patriotic songs and slogans, a vibrant testament to the love for their respective nations. And then something magical happens. In the midst of the euphoria, there is a moment of shared respect, a silent acknowledgement of the bravery and dedication of the soldiers from both sides. The spectators cheer not just for their own soldiers, but also for those from across the border. It's a stirring sight, a moment that encapsulates the essence of this ceremony: unity in diversity, respect beyond rivalry. It's an emotional rollercoaster, a whirlwind of feelings that are as diverse as they are shared. Each cheer, each clap, each slogan is a testament to the fervor and the passion that this ceremony incites. The atmosphere is charged, the emotions high, and yet there is a sense of harmony, a shared camaraderie that is as poignant as it is powerful. As the flags of the two nations gradually descend, the crowd holds its breath, engulfed in a wave of emotions, a testament to the power of this ceremony. It's a spectacle of unity, a celebration of respect, and a vibrant display of patriotism that leaves no heart untouched. The sun dips lower, casting long shadows that dance with the undulating flags of the two nations. The atmosphere is electric, emotions running high, the anticipation almost palpable. The moment everyone has been waiting for is finally here. The soldiers from both sides march towards each other, their steps mirroring each other in a synchronized dance of discipline and precision. There's a hush, a collective intake of breath as the two flags start to descend in perfect harmony, a visual representation of the unity that this ceremony embodies. This is the highlight of the ceremony, a moment that encapsulates the spirit of this unique border spectacle. The crowd watches in rapt attention, their cheers subsiding into a respectful silence. The flags descend, their movements perfectly mirrored, an echo of the unity that this ceremony symbolizes. It's a powerful sight, a testament to the discipline and dedication of the soldiers from both sides. Then, in a gesture that never fails to elicit a wave of emotion, the soldiers shake hands. It's a brief moment, a simple act, but it carries a weight far beyond its simplicity. It is an acknowledgement of mutual respect, a testament to the shared bravery and dedication of the soldiers from both sides. The crowd erupts in cheers, their applause echoing across the border, a sound that transcends boundaries and politics. This is the essence of the Wagah Border ceremony, a symbol of unity, a testament to the power of respect and brotherhood. It's a moment that leaves no heart untouched, a spectacle that transcends borders and resonates with people from all walks of life. As the sun sets and the flags are folded away, the crowd is left with a sense of awe, an emotional high that lingers long after the spectacle is over. As the ceremony draws to a close and the crowds start to disperse, one can't help but reflect on the deeper significance of this daily spectacle. The Wagah Border ceremony every evening is a grand theatrical performance, a ballet of precision and patriotism. Yet, amid the pomp and ceremony, there lurks a poignant reminder of our shared past and common cultural heritage. Despite the border that divides the two nations, there exists a connection that is inescapable, a shared history that transcends politics and conflict. This ceremony, held every evening as the sun dips below the horizon, is not just a display of nationalistic fervour. It is more than a mere spectacle for tourists. It is a moment of reflection, a moment to remember that the people on either side of this border share more than just a geographical boundary. They share a history, a language, a culture, and a love for their homeland that is as strong and impassioned as any. The Wagah Border ceremony, despite its militaristic undertones, is a testament to the potential for peace and unity. It is a symbol of hope, a beacon that shines brightly even in the face of political differences and conflicts. It serves as a reminder that unity and peace are not just ideals, but achievable goals. The synchronized lowering of the flags, the firm handshakes, and the respectful nods between the soldiers of the two countries are not just ceremonial gestures. They are symbols of mutual respect and acknowledgement of shared roots. They are echoes of a time when these two nations were one, reminders of a shared past that continues to bind them together. In the end, the Wagah Border ceremony is a celebration of unity in diversity. It is an acknowledgement of our shared history and a testament to the strength of our common cultural roots. It is a spectacle, yes, but it is also a symbol of hope, a beacon that shines brightly, reminding us that even in division, there is a possibility for harmony. The Wagah Border ceremony, thus, isn't merely a spectacle. It's a beacon of hope, a symbol of potential unity, and a testament to the power of shared cultural roots. It reminds us that even in division, there's a possibility for harmony.